Good afternoon, children. Welcome to today lesson Matter Around Us. This is the continuous topic. So previously you know the sublimation and the examples of sublimation. Once more I am explaining sublimation, the phenomenon in which solids are directly converted into the gases whenever they are heated, and this phenomenon is called sublimation, and the compounds are called sublimates. Here the examples for the sublimates are camphor, agarbatti or incense stick, ammonium chloride, formula is NH4Cl. Next, naphthalene bonds. Naphthalene bonds. So today you can discuss about the diffusion, the spreading of gases like smoke, air, vapor substance, from one place to other place is called diffusion. The spreading of gases like smoke, air, vapor substance from one place to another place or other place is called diffusion. Now we can see the diffusion in our day-to-day life. So many examples are there, we also know very well. So science is observation. We have to observe the each and everything in our daily routine life. So we can observe the diffusion in our daily routine life also. See here, potassium permanganate, formula is KMnO4. What is the formula of potassium permanganate? KMnO4. If you take two crystals of potassium permanganate and if we drop them in the water color becomes purple. Here potassium permanganate crystals are solids, water is liquid, and this diffusion is called diffusion of solids in the liquids. Now we can take potassium permanganate solution also. Potassium permanganate solution. How can we prepare the potassium permanganate solution? Is take one or two crystals of potassium permanganate, add in the water. How we added in the previous. Now that is called potassium permanganate solution. You take this potassium permanganate solution. Now it is the liquid. You add in the water. Now that time also we can observe the purple color. Now this is the example of diffusion of liquids in the liquids. Next, third example is carbon dioxide. What is the formula of carbon dioxide? CO2 plus water H2O gives rise to H2CO3. What do you call? H2CO3. Carbon dioxide is a gas. Water liquid gives rise to H2CO3, carbonic acid liquid. Now this is called diffusion of gases in the liquids. What do you call? Diffusion of gases in the liquids. Now first one, agarbatti. Whenever we burn the agarbatti fumes will spread in the gases. That is called diffusion of gases in the gases. Now I will show two activities. Now what do you call these children? These are called what? Agarbattis. See, I have taken agarbattis in my hand. I lighted these agarbattis. I am going to light now. Or you can use the term lit or light. See children, all of you are observing the flame and the fumes. Are you smelling any smell? Yes. Whatever the smell you are observing, that smell is coming from the lighted agarbattis or incense sticks. What is the other name to the agarbatti? Incense stick. Spelling INCENSE. Incense stick is equal to agarbatti. Now fumes which are coming from the agarbatti are spreading from the blackboard to you through the gases. Now the spreading of smoke, fumes, vapors of scent from one place to another place is called diffusion. Next, coming to the deodorant spray. What is this children? Deodorant spray. Deodorant spray. See children, now I am opening its lid. See, I am spraying. Now here in this also vapors of scent, the deodorant passed or moved from blackboard to you, spreaded from blackboard to you. This is called what? Diffusion. So like that we can observe so many diffusion of gases, solids and liquids in our daily routine life. Most of you observe these diffusion in your home, in your daily routine life. Is it or not? You observe the spraying of deodorant to our dresses. You observe the burning of agarbatti or incense stick. You observe the cool drinks. These are all only the examples for the diffusion of gases that all you are observing in your daily routine life. Science means you show interest. Whatever the happening, the things in the surroundings that you have to observe, then you can develop the science like anything. So, remaining topics you can learn in the next video. Thank you.